Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I need to do my nails, so I thought I would just quickly do a video of what I'm going to do. Super easy double marble stamping with some matte top coat. So I'm using a whole bunch of different products. I'll just quickly run through what I'm using. I am using as my base colour one of the brand new gel bottle colours. So this one is Marilyn, which is a beautiful bubblegum pink, which you'll see in a second. I am using my very popular Marbled 01 from my Dixie Plate store, so I will link that below. I'm using to stamp with, I'm using my Twinkle Tea Glow Up, which I am the Australian stockist, so if you want it in Australia you can go again to my website. I'm using Essie No Place Like Chrome. So this isn't a stamping polish, but it is amazing to stamp with. It's my favourite silver. And then to top everything off, I am using my favourite matte top coat on the planet, and that is the Ugly Duckling matte top coat. So anything else that I use, I think pretty much the other thing I'm using is my Dixie Diamond Duo Stamper. So again, I'll link that below. So I'm just going to run through it, put some music on, and I will check back at the end.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want.
I'm going to talk you through the first one just so you can see. So I'm starting off with the Glow Up from Twinkle Tea. So scrape once, you shouldn't need to do it any more than that. Roll it onto your stamper, perfect pickup, and then I'm going to go in and turn it around. I'm going to go in and place it just as close to the cuticle as I can get, because this is quite a long nail. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. Just hold it for a couple of seconds and then pull away. So then I'm going to just clean my stamper head with a lint roller. Never use acetone on your stamper. And then I'm going to go in with No Place Like Chrome for the next image. So just pop a bit of that on. Scrape. Roll it onto your stamper. I'm very lightly rolling, so I want this bit here to match up with this piece of my thumb. So I'm turning it round, matching it up where it goes, which is about there. And it really doesn't matter if this is not lined up, because marble is, obviously you could do anything with marble. So that is what it looks like. I'll clean up all 5 nails at the end there. So I'm going to put the music on. I'm going to speed up the other 4 for you.
Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. Yeah. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy.
Okay, all done, and I finished off with a matte top coat. I've zoomed in a little bit so you can see a bit better. I'll chuck a photo at the end as I normally do. Now, I wasn't sure whether to do all 10 fingers, but I'm actually happy I did. These are a little bit brighter than what I'd normally wear, but I really like them. Any colour combination looks awesome with marble. You can do any base colour, you can do any stamping combination, you can do one stamping of marble, you can do 3 colours, whatever takes your fancy. These plates are super versatile. There's Marble Dough 1 and Marble Dough 2, and I will not at this stage be bringing out any more marble plates. I just don't think there's much more. Unless they discover some kind of new marble, that is it. But I think 2 is fine. So we have plenty of stock at the moment as well, guys. I have actually just restocked, so if you do want the marble plates, they are in stock currently. So I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box. I will get back to you. I'll link all the products that I used, and please subscribe, guys. I really do appreciate your support. I know I'm not around as much as I should be, but I do appreciate you watching, so thank you very much. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.